Hello everyone. Today I would tell you about labwares and laboratory instruments that I used in the lab. Now before doing any practical, it is very important to know about what are the different labwares like glasswares or plasticwares that we use, and also we should have the information about the laboratory instruments, how they are maintained and what is their uses. So to start with the labwares, there is test tube and test tube holder. So use of test tube is to do the various chemical reaction, and then test tube holder is used to hold the test tube. Then we have test tube stand, which holds the test tube when we do chemical reaction. Now there are different forms of test tube stands, small, big, and again we have beakers which has different measurement, 100 ml, 500 ml, 250 ml. So all these are the beakers that we use in the lab. Then we have measuring cylinder. Measuring cylinder is used to measure the liquid and to prepare different solutions. The measuring cylinder have grades, gradation, like this is an 100 ml measuring cylinder and its scale is mentioned on it. Then we have round bottom flask. This round bottom flask is used with heating mantle to heat any liquid, like any extraction. If we want, we can use this round bottom flask. Then we have burette stand and burette, plus bottom we have conic beaker. Now burette is a glassware which is used for titration. We put the titrant in the burette and then we titrate against the unknown sample. Now burette is provided with 50 ml volume, and it is used for basically titration work. Its main function is in chemical laboratory and in quantification of acid concentration of acid or base. So it has a stopper which is used to allow flow of liquid in a controlled manner. Then we have conical flask. This conical flask is also available in different volumes, 100, 200, 500, and this is the tripod stand which is used for filtration. There is funnel, and in bottom we have put a small conical flask. So this is used for filtration. We have shown one use of the tripod stand, and tripod stand could be also used for heating. So while heating, we would put wire gauge, and over it we would put china dish, and below we would put the spirit lamp. You can see spirit lamp is another labware that we use wire gauge, china dish for heating. Then we have pipettes. Then these are the forceps and spatula, which is used for measuring, and forceps for holding. Then we have petri plate, which is used for culturing, or you can use it for holding some chemicals. Spatula can be of different shape, like small one and big one. Small would be used for measurement of the small quantity. Then we move on to the instrument. So the most important instrument is your hot air oven. When we wash the glasswares and we need to dry it, so we would use this hot air oven to dry the glassware. Now the glassware would be dried in the oven. The oven has a temperature of 150 degree maximum. This is the incubator which is used for culturing different microbial media, and we can also use it for enzymatic reaction. This is a weighing balance, electronic weighing balance, which is used for measuring very specific amount. So there is a the very limited fluctuation is there. Then this is the chamber or compartment which we use for autoclaving. We would put our thing for autoclave and put into the autoclave. Now this is the autoclave Autoclave is a scientific pressure cooker which is used for sterilization. It is a moist sterilization. We sterilize you can see the compartment is kept inside the autoclave, and then we can use it for sterilization. Now the temperature has to be 121 Pascal pressure, and this could be used for killing the microbes present inside the media or which we are going to use for culturing, and we would also make the glasswares free from any microbial contamination. Then another instrument that is important in laboratory, scientific laboratory, is the fridge. So we have different forms of fridge. This is a self-frost, it is a chiller. Then we have a refrigerator which has both chiller as well as the fridge. And then we have deep freezer. This is the deep freezer which is used for keeping the sample for longer duration at -20 degrees centigrade. We have -40 as well as -80 centigrade. Deep freezer is also available in highly sophisticated scientific laboratory. So these all were the glasswares and instruments that are used in the laboratory, and hope you all students would use these glasswares and instruments in the laboratory and learn their uses and applications. Thank you.